It's a raining day today. We're now in Xian village. We're going to see another Xian temple. And this one has the sculpture of the two fairies made in Song Dynasty, about 1,000 years old. I heard it's not okay to take pictures, so maybe let's try. And it's closed. In southeast China, Shanxi province, many temples are not a tourist attraction, so they actually was by the cultural relic administration. So here on the door there is a telephone number. I just called this phone number. He's on the way to this temple to open the temple. 二仙庙。哦，要不然我还不知道这个庙了。是不是？上次有一个河南的，他是个在那个晋城那儿修行的道士。山西电视台也采访过你们哈。He actually lives here. 哎，就租在这儿的。
为啥这个咱们这是不开放？咱们这是不开放，所以说是。
After we enter this temple, here is a 乐亭 music pavilion. Actually, outside the temple there is an opera stage. You can see the opera stage, and here is a music pavilion. I don't know, maybe some music show for the deities, for the god. Another evidence to show the old temple is this cypress tree. This is another over 1,000 years old. A pair of cypress tree here in the temple. Next building is the offering Xian Dian, offering pavilion. People come to worship the god. They bring their offerings and leave the offering on the table in the pavilion, in the building. Also burn incense over there, I guess.
是吧？不懂的。不是光这不懂。咱们那人家那专家是全部700多年，不到1000年。
It says this temple's construction was started in 1097 and took 20 years to build in Song Dynasty, so almost 1,000 years old. This is the Song Dynasty building. Inside is the beautiful sculpture. So he agreed to open the gate for us and let us in to take a look. Maybe not pictures, but we're gonna see it.
这个现在不允许你现在而且不是说你现在这个把这个给拆划一下。国家你在以前的王府一流不当成你在1800多年，咱们这900多年不允许。家伙，900多年不容易。上了教科书了，北京大学、清华大学教科书。
This is definitely the most exquisite woodworks I have ever seen. Without question, it takes my breath away. The two sitting ones are the two fairies, and the rest are their maids.
5一来了不让进了，不敢跟人开了。5一 我也人多，那你看这个你难说，为什么？
It's a beautiful work. The material was straw and clay. Simply straw and clay to make such a beautiful thing. In 1943, this area had worst drought. So the locals came to pray in front of the two fairies. And later on the same day, it rained in this area. So these people came and to wrote this down. 1943. So the two fairies grant wishes, any wishes. If you have a real and sincere heart. Song Dynasty wooden building architectures always have a very big bracket sets. It's almost half the height of the pillar. Song and Tang. Later, the column become bigger. The bracket, its portion of the bracket becomes smaller in Ming and Qing dynasty. And Mr. Yang told us that in 1958, the whole temple were turned into a primary school. And they were going to destroy all the wooden structures and statues inside and turn it into a classroom. But some guy in the village held them up, say, "Give me 3 days, I will go to the provincial government to ask permission to protect this area, this hall." And he did so. So this brave man saved the whole building from destruction. Oh my God, what a kind, what a generous man he is. He passed away a few years ago in his almost 70s. If he was alive, I would like to visit him. He passed away already. It's very sad. Beautiful temple, and you see there is no tourist, just my parents and me and this Mr. Yang. We have to pull over here. Look at the view. We're on the way to Qinglian Temple, Qinglian Si. We find out this beautiful Jueshan mountain on the way, in the mist, in the clouds. Beautiful. Like a fairyland.